Ooh, you letting me get a shotgun?
You can't get back in.
He's like, bitch, I'm gonna get a new whip right now. I don't
They're like, yeah, they're detailing it. Does that slick recording just... I don't even know if that was in focus. I can do something like that. Tell them what we're doing today.
Wow, you fucking bitches. No. I'm finna go pick my car.
Gang, fucking bitches.
I'm finna go pick my car up that I ordered 2 weeks ago. So yeah, finally get it.
Can you turn the music off? I'm trying not to get copyrighted. I'm just kidding.
Yo, James! What the fuck is my car, James?
Yeah, he's over there. Oh, baby.
I wanted it open all the way.
Look at that thing, dude.
So it's on the R-spec the red ground effect all around the back. Comes with those wheels. It's got a LED accent lighting in the front that you don't get on the regular ones.
Woohoo!
I knew you were gonna like it, man.
Dude.
Absolutely. You got a full tank of gas in there. Like I said, I've had it detailed, cleaned. Might be a couple little water spots we didn't dry off.
Is that a moonroof?
Let's go. I'm gonna hop in with you. I'll tell you, I'm gonna go grab a tag. Hold right up there. I'm gonna grab a tag.
We're in the back seat.
All right, you lost your shotgun. Oh, look at you.
Oh, dude.
Oh, you probably shouldn't have put him down. Oh,
Dude, this thing's badass, dude.
Before you pull up, you also gotta.
Yo, Ty, how happy are you right now?
About fucking time, dog. Seriously, about time.
Whew. Dude, this.
Got my car ready.
Yeah, it's red leather, but it's got this like netting over it. Oh man.
He's like, let's go for a ride, nigga. Fuck you.
Let's go. Wait, let's go for a ride.
Give me my cards. Give me my keys. Are we supposed to sign another paper too?
Oh, dude, this thing's bad.
Oh, okay, that's a pretty dope car, man. Oh, I see that. This is a real soft clutch. The guy has a leg on. Take a right at this next one. So basically, you're gonna get a big old. This man got his car now. It looks way better in black than it did silver.
I saw that. I saw some pictures of it.
How's it feel to have your first car? Not first car, but first new car.
About time, dog.
About time. What they did first, they got him his car, and when it got here, they sold it to someone else. So they got another car, and they sold that car too, and then they got him this car. So it's been like what, like a week and a half, 2 weeks?
5 weeks.
It's been a long time.
It feels like 5 weeks.
Finally,
It's been
we're finally,
5 days.
Oh, stop.
Stop exaggerating.
It feels like it's done.
we are finally at this moment.
Woo!
What's 2 shots? I need 2 bottles. We tryna stick something like a pool. Get the memories of the memories. Get the beats, tax looking clean. See, I know that you remember, that's that bitch and know that thing. Eating off some shrimp. Shorty talking a lot, she give me mad lip. When I put it out, she starts shining like my ad-libs. See, shine, you were new to the clips. You want women, thank God, sloppy tune made sense. Respect the turn night.
Ain't nigga ties to it. Go clip for clip with my enemies and go away to trial with them prosecutors. Niggas snitching on their homeboys. I don't see how they do it. I don't see how them niggas still living. I know they mans and they're going through it. Like, right. I done had some whole time. Remember when you told me you was on my way? I think that I met you at the wrong time, hey. I think that I met you at the wrong time, hey. Remember when I took you to the street like I'm in the
Hey, race me! Race me! You like my whip? Bet you won't race me.
His whip?
No, it's my whip. I'm in the passenger seat because I drive it too quickly. That's racist! Get wrecked! Get chopped! Gang in this bitch. Alright, so we're going to the parking garage, take some pictures of his new car. But I'm gonna use it completely as click. I'm going to use it as clickbait so I can get views.
You said the violet.
Woohoo!
Fucking love this thing, bro. Free strike.
I gotta be back up for you to do that. New.
Got codeine in my cup.
How's it feel to get wrecked at a race? Get chopped.
Feels pretty good now. I know how my girlfriend feels when I fuck it too hard.
Your girlfriend? Dang, that sucks.
Well, not mine.
Not yours, but someone else's.
Well, not really my girlfriend. Somebody's girlfriend. Just
Right.
my girlfriend for the night.
Yeah.
It's totally different though.
What a pimp. but I don't hoe around. I don't hoe around. No, I just, you know, live that.
You guys just matched it too.
Oh yes. Hey, check this nude out I just got. Oh, you're from Cali? You're from Cali?
You know where I'm from?
Where you from, dog? Oh shit, dog.
But I passed by to get some burgers too, some In-N-Out, so that's
Oh
why
yeah.
I'm a bit.
Hell yeah. Hey, he's from Cali. Where are you from?
Miami, 305.
Where's your tattoo though?
Yeah, where's your Miami tat? Does that say Miami?
No, it doesn't say
Does that say Miami?
Why does that say soy sauce?
Hey!
Why does that say soy sauce?
Jump.
Don't jump.
Don't.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's a good drop.
I'm trying to be like 5. I'm gonna play it, I'm not doing that.
Okay, fine.
Click me, right?
Clickbait.
That's like really clickbait, okay.
Jump?
No. Why do you always portray me as suicidal?
I mean, you're sitting on the top of a parking garage. On the ledge.
Might as well.
Might as well. I would do a really nice cinematic of your car, but your car is not as nice as his car.
No, it's not as clean as his car. Hey, where's your car? Oh, that's right. Go walk
I got
it.
a ride
Yeah,
here.
Go walk it.
Hey, be nice, man.
Be nice to me, bro.
sorry, he insulted me. I can't let him do that to me.
I love my job. I love my job. Yo, nice reverse shot, bro.
Oh shit, there's something bad. No?
Nah.
No?
No, that wasn't really that good.
Don't post it though.
I won't post it. I'll cut it out. I'm totally putting it in. Gotta get that dramatic. Gotta keep going. You keep backing up.
D. Keep going.
Yeah, keep going. That's good right there. That'll be a nice picture, but yeah, roll your wheels all the way that way. Keep going. That's good right there. Yeah, turn your wheels in.
It wasn't dirty.
So?
Hey, yours lock on.
Huh?
It's not gonna lock. Stupid.
I didn't get my 6-pack. Hey, that's a soy sauce.
This doesn't say soy sauce.
Doesn't say soy
This
sauce?
is fucking Duke.
Puppy.
This is Duke.
That's what puppy
This
did.
is my dude, Duke. Duke the wolf.
That looks like violet.
It does. Honestly, it does.
I really like it though.
Let me take a picture.
Honestly, if you made this the same color, that'd be dope. Not the entire, thing, but.
Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me.
Fucking dumb.
Where's that turbo at? Way back there.
Fuck, that's hot.
Ooh, first modification. Ooh, weight reduction. Weight reduction. Hashtag race car. That's bad, dude. Wait, added. Hey, Rev. Dude, that guy's got no exhaust. It's just weak as fuck. Time when you see this video, I'm sorry, but get your exhaust fixed, Tony. You need it.
I really do.